Hello everybody, how are you? Did you hear the news? Russia has made a cancer vaccine. And is it a game changer? Let's understand the truth. Recently, a new report out of Russia is making one claim that could change medicine forever. They have developed a personalized cancer vaccine, Enteromix. And their early results are nothing short of shocking. Yes. We are hearing the words like 100% effective and no serious side effects. But this isn't just a small step. It's actually being hailed as a potential cure. But in the world of medical breakthroughs, is this a real deal or just the latest dose of another hype? We are going to separate the fact from fiction today, so stay with us. So what is this vaccine and how it works? Enteromix is a personalized therapeutic vaccine that uses a dual action approach to fight cancer. Unlike traditional vaccines that prevent disease, this one is actually designed to treat existing tumors. Now, this innovation of a vaccine uses two main components. First is a personalized mRNA technology. This is similar to the technology used in COVID-19 vaccine, but it is customized to each patient. Scientists take a sample of the patient's tumor and then identify its unique genetic profile, something called neoantigen. This unique genetic profile is different from your own genetic profile. It's a new mutation. And then they create a specific mRNA blueprint that teaches the patient's immune system to recognize and attack only these cancer cells with this specific neoantigen and leaving the healthy cells untouched. This is actually a very revolutionary concept. The second method by it acts is by oncolytic viral components. The vaccine also contains 4 harmless viruses which are engineered to directly attack and destroy tumor cells. As these viruses break down the existing tumor, the tumor releases more neoantigens, which further strengthens immune system's attack. But let's not jump to any conclusions. Because the vaccine is tailored to each patient's specific tumor, it's considered a precision medicine. The customization is also why it is actually time consuming and expensive to produce. It can take 6 to 8 weeks to design and manufacture a single vaccine. While the preclinical trial shows promising results, reducing tumor growth by 60 to 80% and the improving survival rates without any serious side effects like those from chemotherapy, this vaccine is still in very early trials like phase 1, phase 2. The potential limitation is that tumors can actually be genetically unstable, meaning they can mutate and potentially render the current vaccine less effective over time. So, is the 100% effective claim real? This brings us to the most crucial part of the story, the stunning efficacy claim. Russian officials reported incredible early results. Some news outlets even quoted 100% efficacy. But here's the crucial deal. That figure comes from a preclinical report and a very small study of just 48 volunteers. While the results are encouraging, they are not a definitive proof. In the world of medicine, a small trial is just first step. The true testing of a drug or a vaccine happens in phase 2 and 3, which involves hundreds and thousands of patients over years. So promising early data often looks very different once it is tested on a large and diverse population. So a quote from a press conference is not really same as a peer-reviewed paper in a respected medical journal. It is the difference between promising experiment and a proven treatment. So this Russian's development isn't really happening in a vacuum. It's a part of a global race to develop a true cancer vaccine. Teams at BioNTech, Moderna and institutes like UK's NHS all are running their own trials on personalized mRNA vaccine for cancer. The goal is the same, to find a way to train your immune system to fight back. But the history here shows how difficult it is. US FDA has only ever approved one therapeutic cancer vaccine, and that was over a decade ago. It helped patients live for only a few extra months, which is a major victory but isn't a cure. This demonstrates how high the bar is, and the field is littered with hopeful headlines that never translate to a widespread cure. So the bottom line here is, what's the verdict for Russians' Enteromix? We don't know. It is an exciting and promising development. It represents a significant step forward in our fight against cancer, But until we see results from a large, independent, and peer reviewed trial, it's not a cure. It is a reason for hope, but not a reason to abandon caution. The truth is, the story is far from over. The real breakthrough will be when those larger studies come out, and we will be here to break them down for you. So what are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dive into science and health. Please share this video.